Hi everyone, welcome to the Raw Material Analysis and Procurement module part 1. Within our ERP system, in this segment we will walk you through the initial setup starting from the uh, defining the item master to building the proper bill of material for your finished good. Now before adding the items, it is important to add this category, group and subgroup in the system. First we are starting from the category. So in the category listing page, in the right hand side, as you can see this add button, once you will click the add button, you will able to add the category. Now in this page, category name is mandatory to be defined and item type. We are making category for the raw material. Now raw material part, and then when we save, it will redirect to the listing page. Now again, let's suppose for we are making BOM for the proper finished good, and we will add the items and map the items to the finished good. So we can make 2 or 3 categories for the raw material and for the finished good as well. So second category, let's suppose we are making for this finished good, and then for the finished good we need to select this one. Once we will select the this complete thing, now we are moving to the part of adding the group. So based on the category, now we are adding the group. So to add the group, again when we click the add button, it will redirect to the, in this page, first category is important to be selected. Let's suppose is switch for raw material, and then group name as we have selected, as we have added already. So this one as we have selected, need to click on the same button. Now category and group has been made for the raw material. Again then we can click and we can make group for the finished good. So the same process we will done for the raw material and the finished good. First we will make this category, then group, then subgroup. Now we are moving to the part of subgroup, and again for the raw material and for the finished good type, we can select the group and subgroup as well. Now we are making this subgroup. To add the subgroup, category name need to be selected, then group name, and then subgroup name we can find out. And now once we add the subgroup name, need to click on the save button, and then our subgroup has been made. So the 3 process we have done before adding the items in the item master, first category, group and subgroup. Now we are moving to the item master part. So now once this previous classifications has been set, it navigate to the item master section and click to the add button to add the new items. So we are starting to add the raw material, and same we will add the finished good items. First we will add this item name, I suppose this one, and then based on that HSN code we need to add. Then item type is mandatory, so let's suppose we are making for the raw material. Behalf of the raw material, for the switch that we have made the category, we need to select, and again group, and now this one. So once we will add the complete information, and once we will click on the save button, so our item has been made successfully. So now we are adding one more item, raw material item, in the item master. So let's suppose the item name is this one, and it belongs to the 8536 HSN code and this raw material. Now category need to be selected, and then behalf of the category, group need to be selected, and then type of unit. Once all the information has been filled, need to click on save button, and this item has been updated successfully. Now we are moving to the finish good part, and we are going to make the item for the finish good. So we need to select the item name for the finish good, and then HSN code, and again category name is very important to be selected for the finish good, and then group, and behalf of the group the subgroup need to be selected. Once we will fill all the information, need to click on the save button. Now the complete process we have done to make the item master for the raw material and for the finished good. Now we are moving to the bill of material part, and to move in the bill of material we have to ensure the item master has been added. Now in this bill of material part, again when we click on the save button, so first in this process where you will define the raw material required to produce each finished good, so add the components accordingly, and after saving the BOM PDF you can quickly access from the quick action. So now we are adding this bill of material, company name, branch name, then category, one more thing, you can also directly select the finished product name without selecting this category, group and subgroup, because it's non-mandatory. So as we have selected, so this is basically to bifurcate, so easily you can get the finished product name. And now this one, to add item, it's a mandatory process. So we will add our raw material, and we will tag the raw material to this finished good. Once you will select this item name, behalf of that we can select this quantity and need to add in the grid below. And then next item you can select, because we have to add raw material to the finished good. And then once we will add this and add the quantity, so after completing this process our BOM has been added, as we can see from the listing page. As you can see, the recent BOM we have added, this one, and you can check from the quick action to edit that we have used to make this bill of material. So for this one, so this recent one is that we have made now. If we want to edit, we can edit as well. And if we want to see this PDF of bill of material from the quick action, you can generate this BOM detailed. So as you can see, and you can see the complete detail that we have been added, and this is the complete BOM PDF. So this is the part 1 where we have go through to the process, complete process from starting to add the item master, and to add the item master we have created the category, group, subgroup. Now from item master moving to the part where we are making the bill of material of finished good. So this is a complete process in the part 1 we have described. Thank you.